Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Cash App account closed issue. So guys, if your Cash App account has been closed, here I will show you how can you get back your Cash App account if it is closed. So guys, basically to fix a closed Cash App account, submit an official appeal through the app's deactivation notice or contact customer support for manual review. Do not create a new account while your review is active, as duplicate accounts violate terms of services. So guys, basically if you want to fix this issue, you have to simply create an appeal or submit an official appeal to the Cash App team. So guys, for that you have to simply go back to your home screen, and then you have to simply go to any browser and search for Cash App. So guys, you can see this, you have to simply search for this Cash App website, and once you are here you have to simply scroll it below all the way, and you will get the support or help button from here. Simply tap on help and then wait here for some seconds. So guys, once you're here you have to simply explain your problem in a brief way to the Cash App team, and you have to simply submit an appeal saying that you have not violated any community guidelines but your account has been closed. So guys, you have to simply explain your problem in a brief way and submit the appeal to the Cash App team, and hopefully they will try to fix this problem for you within 24 hours. So guys, hopefully after this your problem would be fixed. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.